To set up Philips HUE lights, start by installing the necessary mobile app, which can be found in the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and tap Get Started. The next steps involve reading and agreeing to the terms of use and privacy notice, after which you can choose to create an account or skip this option. Select the type of configuration you prefer, either with or without a bridge. To set up the hardware, power up the bridge and connect it to your router using an Ethernet cable. Then, use the app to search for the bridge and confirm it's the correct one. The bridge may need to update its software, which can take a few minutes. After the update, the app will display the available lights, and you can proceed to complete the connection. Once the setup is complete, you can turn your lights on and off, as well as change their colors.